Welcome to step number 3 of your mortgage GPS, the initial loan disclosures and underwriting approval. Now, during this step, I often tell buyers, these documents aren't worth the paper they're printed on. Now, I say that jokingly, but there's actually an important reason behind it. These disclosures simply are the starting point of the loan process. And for many buyers, they assume they're their final numbers, and they're just not. Things like insurance, closing costs, prepaid items, and cash to close figures can all change as information is verified and updated throughout the loan transaction. Case in point, if you haven't received a homeowner's insurance quote on your new property, I still have to estimate a number in there. Right now, what we're concerned about are the core pieces of information. Things like your income, your assets, your credit profile, employment, overall loan structure. But here's the real reason behind the stage. Our goal isn't the paperwork. Our goal is to create confidence and strengthen you as a buyer. Now, my name is Michael Thayer. I'm a mortgage advisor based in Nashville, Tennessee, serving clients nationwide. And one of the biggest reasons we take this approach is because it's much easier to identify and solve problems now before you're under contract versus after you've already found a home that you love, submitted an offer, and the countdown to closing has already begun. That's when surprises become stressful. That's why, whenever possible, we submit your file to underwriting with a to be determined address on it. The goal is simple: get as much of your loan file reviewed and approved and signed off by underwriting as possible before you even make an offer. So when you find the right house, you're not scrambling to fix problems under a tight deadline. Instead, you can move forward with greater confidence, knowing much of the heavy lifting has already been completed. And honestly, underwriting is usually far less stressful than most people actually imagine or fear. Underwriting is simply reviewing the file, verifying the documentation, making sure everything meets the guidelines. Think of it like a checklist. Things are simply confirmed that everything is properly documented before moving forward. That's it. And by doing much of this work up front, we help create fewer surprises. You can make stronger offers, putting you on a smoother path to closing. Because our goal is simple: help you move forward with confidence before you start shopping for homes. And when you're ready, let's move on to step number 4, the home search and offers. Talk to you soon.